Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the source and tools ready: a computer, iPhone, and iTunes or Finder. Once ready, download the YouTube track as an MP3 using a download tool you trust. Make sure you have the right to use it. Open the file in an audio editor, then select the exact 30-second section you want. Trim tightly so it begins and ends cleanly. iPhone ringtones play best when concise. Save an exported AAC or M4A file labeled clearly for the next step. Next, convert that trimmed audio into the iPhone ringtone format. Import the MP3 into iTunes or use Finder, then create an AAC version or export as M4A. Once exported, change the file extension from M4A to M4R. That tells iPhone it's a ringtone. Make sure the file stays under 30 seconds, otherwise it won't set as a ringtone. Adjust metadata like the title so it's easy to find later, and normalize levels if the clip is too quiet or too loud. Finally, put the M4R file onto your iPhone. Connect the phone via USB or use Wi-Fi sync. In iTunes, drag the M4R into the tones section and sync, or in Finder, drag it onto the device's tones area. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and pick your new tone. If it doesn't appear, make sure sync included tones, retry with a 29-second file, reconnect/restart the phone, and confirm the extension is M4R. That usually fixes visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.